Ever wondered why consistent quality is so crucial in surface mount technology or SMT processes? Well, let's delve into that. In the world of electronics manufacturing, the SMT process is a key player. But like any great symphony, harmony is key. And here, that harmony is synonymous with consistent quality. Inconsistent quality can create a domino effect of issues. Imagine product failures, which not only lead to increased costs in rework and waste, but also can tarnish a company's reputation. This could cause a loss of customer trust, which is a steep hill to climb back up. Consistent quality in SMT processes is not just a wish, it's a requirement. It calls for precise control of each step in the SMT process, from the placement of components to the reflow soldering. This level of precision ensures that each product is a testament to quality and reliability. Inconsistent quality can lead to costly and time-consuming problems. So how can we ensure consistent quality in SMT processes? Consider this case study, where an organization implemented AI-powered real-time process control in their surface mount technology, or SMT, production line. The company, a prominent player in the electronics manufacturing sector, was grappling with a persistent issue of inconsistent quality in their SMT processes. Components were not always placed accurately on the printed circuit boards, and the soldering was often uneven. This led to a high rate of defects, causing a dip in productivity and incurring substantial rework costs. The organization decided to explore innovative solutions and turned to AI-powered real-time process control. This system leverages artificial intelligence to monitor the SMT process as it happens. It's like having a vigilant supervisor who never blinks, ceaselessly observing every component placement and every solder joint. Now, how does this system work? It uses a combination of machine vision and machine learning. The machine vision captures high-resolution images of the process, while the machine learning algorithm analyzes these images to detect any deviation